What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's about technoboy, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your place, your spark plug of your two-wheeler. Well, this is the one I have. It's a Bajaj Avenger 220 Cruise. I'm going to replace the spark plug of this thing. Well, you must know that you need to replace the spark plug after you have driven certain kilometers, like few thousand or something like that. And also it depends on the carbon buildup in the engine part. So now if you go to the mechanic and all, they will charge you a lot. Well, the spark plug cost me only rupees 100. So for two plugs it cost me only 200 rupees. Pretty simple, and now it's very easy to change. You can do it by yourself. So for that, whatever tools you need, you'll get inside your vehicle like that. So let me show you that. So here everything, the battery and everything is inside this part, this compartment. So alright, it's opened up, and here you can see it's written the tool case. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is the toolkit for Avenger 220. You'll find this toolkit here somewhere or under the seat. So now let's see what we get inside this toolkit. What I need is a screwdriver and this thing. This is the most important thing. You might have screwdriver at your home too, but you're not going to have this one normally. So you'll find this thing inside the toolkit, and some other stuff are there too. So first of all, you just need these two things. So now let's go to the engine. So this is the right side of the engine. First you need to pull the plug, electrical connection. Simple like that. Just pull it, and then you'll see the spark plug inside of it. You just need to slide this thing inside like that, and then put the screwdriver into this hole and then twist it. Okay. And it's done. And it will come off easily. Okay, that's the spark plug. You can see it's not in very bad position, but not good either. As you can see, the carbon buildup at the tip of it. So now let's change this thing. Alright, here's the spark plug for A6 ready, as you can see. So let's open this thing up, and there you can see that's the tip of the plug, and that's the old one. You can see the difference between these two. So I'm going to put this new one inside of it. Alright, simple. So slide this thing inside here, or you might hold it just like this, and then slide it in. Alright, so the right side is done. Now that's the left side. The left side setting is kind of different, as you can see. You can easily access that. So let's pull the electrical plug, and there you can see, slide that in. You can see same condition. Now let's change it. Alright, so things are done. Now let's turn this thing on and start the bike. So that's pretty simple. This thing just cost me only 200 and I did it myself. Like that, you can do it by yourself. Pretty easy. So that's it. That's all for today's in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.